Hi guys, thanks for checking in. Today we're going to be staying at Manor House Hotel, which is the beautiful country manor house just behind us, just for one night only.
Yeah, the hotel was built in 1879 and overlooks Stanton Country Park and Lake.
Yeah.
It's only a 30-minute drive from the Cotswolds.
So we're going to show you what it's like inside. Let's go. So we checked in yesterday and we originally booked a standard double. We found out that our room was on the first floor along these like crazy long corridors. The numbers just went on forever and ever. And then we finally got to our room. It was so small.
Well, basically we immediately left and went down to reception to ask for an upgrade.
So this is our upgraded
Superior
double. Much nicer room. So these are the beautiful old windows, which really give it a nice character.
Got these cute little chairs next to each other. They're actually quite comfortable, to be honest.
Yeah, it's nice.
Facing
touch.
the television, because that's what you go on holiday for.
And these lovely little reading lamps on each side. Also, random little plug, which I'm not sure, is it a European plug?
I think it's a European plug, yeah.
Yeah, don't usually get that. I really like that wardrobe. However, it doesn't close properly, probably because it's old. So it's held together by this little chain. Also, nice to see that there is a Holy Bible, woohoo, in the side of the bed. You don't get that very often now, which is nice, and a lovely touch. The swans in the wallpaper, because we're near Stanton Lake, which has also got lots of swans, so I think that's quite a nice little detail. TV's nice and big. It's also got Netflix on there. We checked.
This table's a bit rickety.
Yeah, this is a bit dodgy.
See that there? It's missing a
Missing
pad here,
an end.
and the whole thing comes
Ooh.
off.
Careful.
Safety first.
Okay, let's have a look. It's quite nice, very clean.
I mean, it's kind of modern, but still somehow dated looking. I don't know how they did that.
Yeah, this is wobbly though. And this bit is kind of coming apart. Also, the shower, really nice, powerful, but it does take ages to get hot. I think because it's attached to the tap.
You have to crouch to get your hair wet.
Yeah, that's true. John is 6'1", so you struggled a little bit in there, didn't you? Mattress check. Yeah, that's actually pretty good, isn't it?
Sheets look okay.
Sheets are
Haven't
alright.
seen any hairs. Or
Yeah, we haven't seen anything scary. Also, if you're someone that's a bit nervous about standing in a bath with the shower on, there is the little slippy, I can't say that.
Slip-proof mat.
That's what I was trying to say.
There's also your in-bed breakfast menu on the back of this door hanger.
Yeah, so if you don't want to go down.
Continental breakfast, cooked breakfast, drinks. You've got the door locked. A weird alarm goes off whenever you open it.
That's not doing it now.
And typically it doesn't do.
I think it's when you've got the key card in your hand. Oh,
there you go.
that was it.
Alright, we're all ready for dinner. We'll try and film as much as we can, and we'll let you know how it is.
£23 something, but we actually got £40 towards the dinner menu with our voucher when we booked, which was really, really good. They've been really friendly so far, the wait staff. They brought our drinks really quickly.
Well, we just about fit.
Yeah.
I mean, it's one thing, we're lying here like planks in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
You might want to walk around. Not walk around, you don't walk around. So personally, I thought the bed was very comfortable. I slept like a log. I remember waking up once. What about you, Beth? How did you sleep?
I didn't really sleep that well, but I think that's just because I'm in a new place. I don't really sleep very well when I'm in a new place. I don't know if it was the bed's fault or not. I did feel a little bit like I was rolling into the middle of the bed.
Is the breakfast making up for it?
Yeah, the breakfast is good. Breakfast is kind of design your own. We upgraded to the hot food for £5 per person. So the continental is the like standard breakfast, I think, was included in our voucher, which was great. So we upgraded just to get the hot food.
Here's Beth coming back with round 2.
Round 2.
Pastry round.
Only on holiday. So in the little conservatory cafe, they do afternoon tea as well. As you know, I like afternoon tea, and they also offer bar snacks as well throughout the day.
Okay, so we've just checked out. The room price that we paid was £114 for one night, and that includes a continental breakfast. The full English buffet is an extra £5 per person. For dinner, we paid about £45 for 2 mains and 1 dessert that we shared. Drink prices is about £5 for a regular pint beer.
It's quite normal.
And for a small wine, you're talking about £6, something like that.
Yeah, the food was really nice. The restaurant staff were really friendly. So yeah, as per some of the reviews, the room size is very, very small for a standard double, so definitely don't advise booking that. If you can upgrade, definitely worth the difference of like 10-20 quid. All in all, in general, very clean, very tidy, comfortable rooms. Would probably recommend staying here again if you're really looking for a relaxed
it's definitely a
getaway
relaxing type hotel, isn't
in the
it?
country. Yeah.
What would I rate it? I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. Thanks so much for watching, and we'd really appreciate your help if you could subscribe. That really supports our channel.
Thanks so much for checking in with us, and we'll see you in our next video.